to pull the frunk out. So we're going to start with plastic panels. And that one was barely in there. Just set them aside. Alright, got the plastic panels off. Now you got to take out the frunk liner. Gently go around. But be very careful because your frunk has two frunk lights. You have to disconnect these. The lights stay in the liner. Just disconnect the wires. So I'll pull that out. We're halfway there. Next step would be to use you need a 10mm socket to remove the bolts. I am apparently missing some over the years. I did pick this Model X up used almost about 3 years ago, roughly. So let's pull that out. So go around and unscrew all the 10mm bolts. I like doing things the smart way, not the hard way. So I'm using my cordless drill with the socket attachment. Set that down. Oops. If you lift by the gasket seal, it might pop off. Make sure I'm not getting anything here. And be very careful because, of course, you got the light wires. You can shove those through the bottom, and there's like a little cutout in the front of your frunk. Shove that down there. So far, what do you guys think? Easy peasy, right? To clean your biohazard filter, and it's not just a biohazard filter, but this is the same filter whether you have biodefense mode on or not. First thing you want to do before removing it is either vacuum or blow any loose dust off so it doesn't get into the system. Now, Tesla's replacement cost for these is about $250 just for the part. Realistically, it doesn't work all that well, and cleaning it seems to yield the exact same results. So, what holds the filter in is actually the frunk compartment. Without the frunk compartment bolted in, you can lift it right out. And there is the air intake right there. And there's also our 12-volt battery. So, got to do the money shot here. done. You can also vacuum it out real good. I'm not going to do that because my Dyson already is drained from vacuuming up all the kids' chips in the car. So let's put the filter back in. And reinstall your frunk. And we'll put the frunk compartment back in. Okay, before you go screwing it in case you have to wiggle stuff, you can put the wires back through for the 2 lights. And go ahead and screw in your 10mm socket, or a bolt. Oh gosh, it's hot today. And I'm missing 1, 2, 3. That's cracked off. So over the years, Tesla service has lost a few of them. That would be Tesla service in Boston. That's where I bought this from. And next, we undo the felt insert. Connect up your wires for the lights. Fits in there all nice and good. And here's the fun part, is trying to tuck the felt back under the rubber gasket. I do recommend doing this more in the shade or in the evening if possible. Or in the garage. I just got too much junk in my garage. It's a workshop, I can't get my work in. Just work your way around. Plastics. Oh, wrong way. Do the front one first. And as long as you're in here and you have the plastics off, give your frunk latch a good shot of silicone or WD-40, because especially if you're in a salt belt area, those rust and then they don't want to work. Now, even though the first responder's loop should be underneath the plastics, make sure that tag is above. That's to let the first responders know that's where they need to be. Even though there's a sticker here, so just sticking out just a little bit, is always nice. Never caused any trouble for me. That's it. We are done. 100% done. Now all you gotta do is hop in your vehicle and drive.